Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and I want to do a little update to yesterday's video. I need to make a little bit of a correction. I was incorrect about a feature on iOS 17 Beta 3. This is not new to Beta 3 or iOS 17. This has in fact been available since the iPhone 14 Pro launched, and this again applies to iPhone 14 Pros with the Always On Display when the Always On Display is active, and that is the swipe to wake and unlock. So that feature has indeed been available since iOS 16 and again since the iPhone 14 Pro launched. What is new is the wording and accessibility and touch down here. It used to just say tap to wake. Now it says tap or swipe to wake. So that is a new addition in iOS 17, but the fact that you can swipe up from the bottom is in fact not new, and that has always been available with the tap to wake enabled on an iPhone 14 Pro with the Always On Display active. So yesterday in the video I said that that was a new iOS 17 feature. Indeed it is not, and I just wanted to correct that. So thank you for everybody that pointed that out on Twitter and stuff. I saw the new wording and I thought it was a new feature because I hadn't used it before, but again, it's been there since the iPhone 14 Pro launched. I'm Colin with Techout, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.